Squishmallows unboxing, Declan? Ooh, which one'd you get?
I've already opened this one.
What you got?
Babs.
Oh, it's fun facts about Babs.
He is writing his very own sci-fi comic.
Ooh, that's pretty cool. Let me see what he looks like. Let's see Babs. The front. Babs. Let me turn him around. Oh, yeah.
Cheeseburger. Yes, I'm a cheeseburger. I am a cheeseburger. Yes, I'm a cheeseburger. Yes, I'm a cheeseburger.
Is that your favorite part? You like forget about Babs. I want the cheeseburger.
That's actually a song from VeggieTales that I was singing. A part of it, at least.
How's the burger?
I like it.